Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you Toyota Sequoia and how to remove spare tire. First, what you want to do is grab the tools, and they're located in your back seat. Just click this right here, and that goes up. The whole seat goes up, and then you go here, open this, and then that comes up, and you take these tools out. Then if you need a jack to jack it up, it's right here. But I'm not sure where the spare tire is located and how to remove the spare tire. So you have to go in the back, open your trunk. So what you got here is two of these. Once you connect them together, just like that, and you got this going on. So next, what you need to do is put it right inside this hole. To put it in here, this, you just have to kind of wiggle it. And once you feel it tight, you gotta spin it this way. When you're spinning it this way, the tire looses it. It goes down. You keep going till it goes all the way down. The best thing to do is do as far as you can, so it's more loose. So once you got that, like this, you just lift the tire. Probably best to use two people. And this thing right here, the wellboy, just flip it over. Just like that. Just take it out this way, and that comes off. Once this comes off, your tire is free now, and the wheel. Change it, and to put it back, same way. Put this in like this inside. So I've noticed if you flip this wheel, it fits better like this. Now flat, but if the wheel is upside down, that thing goes crooked, because this is actually a wheel. Unless if you have a spare, then it shouldn't probably matter on the spare. But on the wheel, it fits better like this. So now we're going up. Line it up and then start going up. Make sure you adjust it how it's supposed to be. Line it up. And there you go. That's how you put it in. Make sure you put your tools back. So this is what it looks like from the bottom. Make sure you double check it's tight and secure. Put all your tools away. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.